what happened with gold when the gold ETF was approved. Look at what happened to the price of gold. You see this huge run up in the price of gold. The Bitcoin as an asset has a much more limited supply even than gold does. And so we have seen a similar move in the price of Bitcoin since this set of Bitcoin ETFs got approved. If that happened with Bitcoin, what's going to happen with Ethereum? So why did this happen? It's not just that gold itself had more demand because an ETF got approved, but it meant that a lot more liquidity could come into the gold market through that instrument to be able to purchase that underlying asset. And so when you look at the why behind it, it's because of the liquidity pouring into the ability to acquire it much more easily, which, that certainly applies with Bitcoin, and it applies for Ethereum, and it applies for Ripple, it applies for Solana, and all the other ETFs that are out there looking to get approved. And so let's look at what happened with Bitcoin. If we go back to January of 2024, right here on the chart, you can see that in that time frame, right in here was when the original set of Bitcoin ETFs got approved, and we see that the price of Bitcoin went from just right around 40K to all the way up almost to 70K just in a matter of a month or so. That was a huge run up in the price of Bitcoin, and then you had another run up in price for the Bitcoin ETF. So what does that mean for all these other ETFs that are out there?